Okay, so welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn which range is better, wide range or narrow range. And this is in crypto yield farming, and this will be a must watch video. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm going to share with you 3 different pools. I start this experiment around 16 days ago. So what I did is I pick up SUI USDC, also Injective USDC, and also Pendle and Ethereum. And I put 2 different pools, exactly the same money in both pools. One narrow and one wider range in all 3 different pairs, which means I have 6 different pools. Now watch the video to the end because no YouTuber showing you this one, because this is how you do experiment, and this is how you can learn, is it worth it to go wide range or narrow range. Now if you're new to the yield farming, make sure you watch some of my other videos because this is one of the best way to earn passive income in crypto space. And also don't forget that nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, only risk capital. Now let's go back to the video. So now where was Turbo? So this is Turbo SUI USDC. 2 weeks ago I started with $500 and I just claimed the fees this morning, now a few hours ago. Now here you will see I'm earning 121%. I'm still in range. This is wide range around between, you can see here between 0.90 to 115. So wide range I'm putting around 30% up and down, and narrow range I'm putting around 10-15% narrow, which means I'm going to earn more money. But what's happened is I did out of balance few times, so I need to come and rebalance. So that was my goal. I was checking the pools every single day and out of range, sorry, and I'm going to put them back into the range so I can start earning money. So let's see what's happening here. So this is the beautiful stuff. Okay, so this is Injective and USDC, and I'm farming Injective USDC on Osmosis chain. Why? Because it's amazing to use, because low fees, and also they have a nice APR there. So I did a rebalance there this morning and I'm still near bounce. Okay, so it depends when you watch this video, the price will be of course different. So let's go and let's explore what I did. So Injective USDC, I start with $495 in both narrow and also $495 into wide range. So in the narrow range, in 2 weeks time I need to rebalance few times. It's worth at the moment $427 plus 35 fees. Total value I earn 462, and when I'm doing this recording was giving me loss of minus $33, and of course that depends on the price of the Injective. Now so I'm in minus in $33, but what's happened with the wider range? And just check this out. At this moment this is earning me 140% APR, and this is the wider range is earning me 55% APR. Make sure you understand that this is the APR is going to fluctuate all the time. It depends on the trading volume, and today the trading volume is extremely low, which means this was almost double just 2 days ago. This was around 250, this was over 130%. And what's crazy for wide range, and again narrow range is around here, you will see 24.5, you can see it's around 15%, and here is around 30% up and down. And here in the wide range, so in the narrow I'm minus $37, but in the wide range you will see that my liquidity is more, but plus the fees. So if you go and calculate the fees, you will see that I earn, check this out, so I start with 496 here, with today value 508. Well, this was this morning when I was doing writing this down. So basically I plus the fees 29, I'm in profit, I am in total profit plus $31 when I did this one few hours ago. So maybe now Injective is going down a little bit. So $31 for the wide range I'm in plus, and minus $37 in narrow range. Why? Because I need to get I need to go back into position, so I need to sell some of my Injective or in higher price or lower price, so I can rebalance and come back into the pool, and that's called impermanent loss. So I lost there, so that's mean the wider range win again. Well done. We're going to the next one, and the next one will be my favorite, and that's Pendle and Ethereum. Okay, and I will tell you why. Let's find out how much I earn. And I'm farming this one on Arbitrum network, and I'm using decentralized exchange, what's called Camelot. Okay, it's a little bit slow, so make sure you stay a little bit longer with me because it takes some time. But let's go and explore how much money I put. So in Pendle Ethereum, I start with $617, okay, in both. One 617, one was 620, $3 different. Okay, it's very hard to start exactly the same amount because you need to set up the range. Okay, so let's go and let's explore if it's open. And finally, here we are. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. I don't think they have a daily mode, but day mode, but that's okay. So you will see this one is out of range, and you will see this one is range. The wide one is still in range, was out of range this morning, but just come back a few hours. And this one is out of range, and probably what I'm going to do is, by the way, look, the wide range, okay, is this the wide one? Yeah, this is the wide range, is I'm earning 176%. The narrow range I was earning over 300% APR. So let's go and let's see what I did. So narrow range, let's talk about narrow range. I put 617 inside. Today value is 820. Let's just go check. This was this morning. Today's value is 829 right now actually, so it's more, okay? But doesn't matter. And then we have with the total fees of 68, so that means total income 888, so the profit is $271, of course, because the Ethereum and Pendle went up. So that's I earned $271. But wide range, we talk about 30% wide range. I put inside 620, today value 882. Let's just go back and check. Today value 891, so it's more for $10 because the price went up of Ethereum is going up right now. That's why I come back into the range, and Pendle blow up in the last few days. And so we talk about, I start with 620, today value 820, 882, fees 40, total value 922, what's mean the profit of almost $300. So narrow range I earned 271, wide range I earned $300. So did you see the difference? How big is the difference between narrow and wide range earning fees in when you have stables with some pair and when you have a different two pairs like Pendle and Ethereum? So I think what I'm going to do from now on, I'm going to put more attention to find good colorated pairs like Pendle and Ethereum, or maybe like BNB and FAT, or maybe Render and Solana and something like that, because when one move up, both move up. You know, when one or two, they can both move up and you appreciate in both. Or when they go down, you still are earning fees because you can still be in range. Okay, so make sure you understand how is that working, and I hope this video was a lesson for you and you can understand, is it worth to go narrow range and just to be greedy for that fee, but in the long run, this is only 16 days trial. You will see in all three cases wide range win, especially here in the Pendle in Ethereum. They win only for like around 10% overall for 10%, but 10% is 10%, and you will see now I'm still in range and I'm earning, and here I'm out of range. And let's see what's the price. So 00176, and max range is 0017, so I just need a little bit so I can come back to range. So what I'm going to do now, I will break this one and I will just put everything right here and I will retake some my position. All right, then thank you so much. God bless you all. Make sure you like my channel, subscribe. Also, if you want to trade, make sure you use Fairdesk, who is no KYC trading platform, and they have one of the best people for copy trade. Look, this guy, 100% win rate in the last 3 weeks, 70% win rate. I'm following this guy. All right, so that's about it. Not financial advice. Do whatever you want. Thank you so much. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.